Imagine the sky over Israel suddenly turns dark, one after another. Ballistic missiles are racing from Iran. The targets military bases, airfields, and strategic sites. What will Prime Minister Netanyahu do? Is the Iranian military ready for Operation True Promise? 4. US intelligence warns that Iran holds the most powerful missile arsenal in the Middle East. They are not just many in number, they are many times more powerful than before. Israel is not alone. The USS Abraham Lincoln has entered Middle East waters. Modern air defense are now protecting Israeli skies. But is this just caution or a sign of something much bigger? Netanyahu warned Trump about Iran's real power, yet Washington still talks about a deal. But behind the talks, is war inevitable? Speaker Galibaf warns if attacked, Tehran will respond harder than ever. Will this operation stay a warning or soon become a reality?